So today I'm going to share with you a very gentle evening Qigong routine. So this is going to be something that's perfect to do at the end of the day, perhaps right before you're going to sleep. We won't be getting the heart rate up. Everything's going to be nice and easy, soothing and gentle. So we're going to start off with hip circles. Now, when you're doing these hip circles, we really try to open up every angle. So when our hips are forward, I'm opening up my hips. I should feel a stretch here. When I come to the side, I should feel a stretch down my side. When I lean forward, this is the biggest one. I want to make sure that my low back is rounded so I feel this nice opening in my low back, which tends to get really tight for many of us. And then side. So just take your time. Allow yourself to enjoy the stretch, the movement. And once you have the movement down, just allow your breath to sync with it. So maybe exhale on the back side of the circle, inhale on the front. And wah, reverse. Good. Next, reaching long. Exhale as you come down. As you come up, bending the knees and then sending the hips forward. I'll show it from the side. Knees bend, send the hips forward. Chin comes up last. Rounding that low back again. Once you have the movement, inhale as you come up. Exhale as you come down. And maybe adding the intention if you feel it. Just pulling energy from Mother Earth, Qi through your body, pulling her loving energy, purifying your body, and releasing what doesn't serve you to Father Sky. Creating your own energetic shower, cleansing your body, opening your joints. Then just going to take a little bit wider of a stance. Imagine an energy ball in between your hands. Just going to reach to the side. Switching hands, reaching to the opposite side. Really allowing that arm to be heavy, opening up your side. And then adding the breath. So exhale as you reach. Inhale as you come up and alternate hands. Really be with your body. Be with your breath. And coming back up. Just going to open the chest. Close the chest. Open. Close. Rounding the upper back. And syncing that with your breath. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. One more. Bringing the hands down. Spreading the hands apart. Leaning the head to one side. I'm just going to do some neck rolls forward and back. And so you should feel a stretch in the side of the neck. Breathing in as you come back. Exhale as you come forward. Be with your body. Really allow yourself to enjoy the breath, to enjoy the stretch. Wow. Opposite side. And let's just do a full circle one direction, and then a full circle, opposite direction. Next, bringing your hands to the lower dantian, the lower belly area. And just bringing your awareness there. Breathing into this lower part of your belly. I like to imagine myself as a rock falling down to the ocean floor. And the ocean floor is this lower part of my belly. Just landing gently on the ocean floor, where it feels calm, quiet, still. Safe. Long, slow, deep breaths. Just noticing how your energy goes there, how chi goes there when you bring your attention there. Just allowing yourself to relax fully into this place. Returning to your natural state of peace and harmony. Then we're going to add in the heart. So we're just going to do a few ums. And if you like, you can place your hand on your heart if you feel it. Just going to turn the heart on simply through sound. And as you just imagine that vibration. Imagine a singing bowl, making a circle around your heart. And allowing yourself to really feel that vibration coming from your heart. So we'll do this together. We'll do 5 ums. If you are in a place where you don't feel comfortable making a sound, you can inside your head silently. Or you could even make a soft sound, like a humming sound. Okay? So breathing in. Just feel the vibration. Feel the vibration in your chest. And allow this vibration to dissolve anything that you're holding from the day. Any sort of stress, anxiety, fears, worries. Just allow it to vibrate away. Breathing in. Feeling this vibration roll through your body. And with the next 3 ahs, just imagine this vibration getting wider and wider. Your heart field getting wider and wider. Softening into more calm, more softness, more gentleness, deep relaxation. Breathing in. Feeling your body relax as it lands more and more gently in your heart. 2 more. Breathing in. More softness, more stillness. Last one. Breathing in. And just allow yourself to be still. To really become one with your true self, with your heart energy, with softness, gentleness, love. Oneness. Feel free to stay in that energy for as long as you feel it. Thank you for joining me today. And I'll see you soon.